how to enable dark mode on your iPhone 6s. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 13 or later, since dark mode isn't available on earlier versions of iOS. To get started, open the Settings app and tap Display and Brightness. At the top of the screen, under Appearance, you'll see two options, Light and Dark. Simply tap Dark to switch your iPhone to dark mode instantly. You'll notice that system apps, menus, and supported third-party apps now use a darker interface, which can be easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. If you'd like dark mode to turn on automatically, tap Automatic, then select Options. From there, you can choose sunset to sunrise or set a custom schedule that fits your routine. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on your iPhone 6s. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.